Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about order of operations. The order of operations is the collection of rules about which procedures should be evaluated first. So in Python, the order in which operators are evaluated is in mathematical using PEMDAS. Parentheses has the highest precedence. Expression inside parentheses are evaluated first. So for example, on Python console, if I type 9 multiplied by 2 and I'll type plus 2, the result would be 20. And if I say 9 multiplied by parentheses 2 plus 2, enter, and now we get the answer 36. So how is this working? Parentheses has the higher precedence. Whatever inside the parentheses will be evaluated first. So what happened here is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, and then 9 gets multiplied by 4. But here we don't have parentheses and we have a multiplication which has a higher precedence than addition. So it multiplies 9 by 2, which becomes 18, and then it adds 2 to it, which becomes 20. Next, the exponentation operator is given the second highest precedence. So let's give it a shot. 2 exponentation operator to 3, that gives us 8. So if I use the same one with addition to 2, that becomes 10. So as you can see, this part is evaluated first. Next, we have a multiplication and division, which includes floor division and modulus operator as well. They have the same precedence. Addition and subtraction comes next. Let's give it a shot. So if I say 8 multiplied by 2, and then we do plus 1, and as you can see, it's going to give us 17. So multiplication next, then we go to division, that gives us 5.0, and if I use floored division, that gives us 5. We can have a plus minus precedence as well. So if I say 7 plus 5 minus 3, now what do you think it's going to return? So here you go. So we have addition and then subtraction. It's going to add 7 plus 5, which becomes 12, and then it's going to subtract 3 from it. That becomes 9. And there you go, we get 9. And if I use again the parentheses here, that gives us highest precedence. So let's give it a shot. Now it becomes 9 as well. So how is this working? So 5 minus 3 becomes 2, and 7 plus 2 becomes 9. The same answer, but different way of evaluating this. In cases where two operators have the same precedence, for example, addition and subtraction, statements are evaluated left to right. Let me give you an example. For example, if I say 3 plus 4 minus 1, so if I evaluate this part first, which is 4 minus 1 becomes 3, and 3 plus 3 becomes 6. Now we get 6, but what if we evaluate this part first? So we say 3 plus 4 becomes 7, minus 1 becomes 6. So in addition and subtraction, doesn't matter if you add first or subtract first. In this case, expressions are evaluated left to right.